Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We from Group 5 will present the result of our discussion entitled Budget Implementation Process at Regional Government Levels, APBD. I am Elsa Octaviani as the moderator and my colleague Anjali Pipridia Dharma. The implementation of the budget in local government is like the backbone of development. To ensure the budget truly benefits the public, the process must be carried out properly from planning, activity implementation, financial recording, to evaluation and accountability reporting. Everyone has a vital role, from the regional head, regional secretary, local treasury official, to technical manager in government agencies. The legal foundation are clear, such as Law Number 23 and 2014 and Law Number 23 and 2004, which regulate transparent and accountable financial management. However, challenges remain in the field. For intense budget are often generalized. Human resources are limited and technical regulation can be confusing. Therefore, solutions like accelerating procurement, enhancing personal capacity, and maximizing digital systems are essential to ensure the budget truly impact to community. Legal basis. The first law number 23 and 2014 on regional government establish an authority of local government to manage finance independently under the principle of decentralization, including implementation, bookkeeping, and accountability of regional budgets. Law number 13 2004 on fiscal balance between the central government and regional government regulates the financial distribution between the central and regional government, including revenue, resource, and fund transfer mechanisms. Structure of financial management. The first regional head holds the highest authority of a regional finance, responsible for preparing, managing and reporting the budget to regional parliament. Two, regional secretary acts as the coordinator and of regional finance, leads the regional budget team, and leads financial policies across department. The three, regional finance manager, head of finance bureau who acts the regional general treasurer managing APBD implementation. The fourth, head of regional work units, acts of the budget user in their agency, assisted by budget implement and treasurer, responsible for preparing work plans, verifying payment claims, and producing finance report. Stages of regional budget implementation. The first, establishment of the budget implementation document (DPI). The, the two, execution of activities. The three, financial administration. The fourth, monitoring and evaluation. Uh, Reporting and accountability.
Oke, moderator. Next materi is budget disbursement and payment mechanism. First, personal expenditures, salaries and benefits are paid through SPM, payment request letter, and SP2D, fund disbursement order, followed by transfer to individual account. Two is goods and service expenditures. Payments are made after procurement and handover of goods service, supported by documentation and process via SPM and SP2D. Capital expenditures. Payments are made in stage based on project progress and contract terms, with verification of documents before disbursement through SP2D. Next is roles of provincial versus regency city governments. Provincial government law number 23 of 2000 Law number 23 of 2014 acts both as a regional head and as the central government's representative. Main responsibilities A. Coordinating across Regency City, especially in transportation, environment, and secondary education. B. Supervising and guiding the governance of Regency City. C. Reporting to the President through the Minister of Home Affairs. Next, Regency City Government, led by a regent or mayor. Main responsibilities A. Managing basic public service such as primary education, public health, and local roads. B. Direct budget management within local governments units (OPDs). C. Involving the public through development planning forums atau musrenbang. Next is role of village government if extended. Village governments law number 6 of 2014 on village, headed by a village head with the village consultative body BPD. Funding sources. Source village funds from the national budget and village fund allocation from the Regency City budget. Main responsibilities A. Developing basic infrastructure, village roads, sanitation, health posts. B. Implementation economic empowerment programs, village-owned enterprise, job training, agriculture. C. Strengthening community participation through village deliberation meetings. Okay, moderator, I will be back.
Next, challenges in budget implementation. The first, low budget absorption. The two, delay implementation of activities. Three, limited human resource capacity. Four, regulation and technical constraints. Strategies for improving budget implementation. Possible solution include one, accelerating procurement process. Two, strengthening human resource capacity. Three, optimizing regional digital system. Four, programming transparency and accountability. Next, case example. One, delay project due to slow procurement. In a province in Sumatra in 2023, many infusing projects like school renovation and new road construction only start in August or September. Even though the APBD was passed in January, the delay was caused by slow procurement, lack of readiness among procurement teams, and poor use the procedure system. A result, financial and physical realizing were computed into the year with Q3 appropriation only reaching 18% for below the target. Case example 2, training fund for women's regency level. A regency in Kalimantan allocated 2 billion in its 2023 budget for women's training programs. Despite the noble intention, the program had 0% realization by year end. The local comparative and MSMA office was specific the file to schedule the training, coordinate with target group, or prepare training. The head of office claimed the program needed for study. Despite the budget and document being ready from early in the year. Will be continued by Angel.
Okay, thank you, moderator. Next case example 3, village funds used for non-priority. The next case example is number 3 is village fund used for non-priority project. In a village in Central Java in 2022, 2022, 600 million Indonesian rupiah in village funds was spent on building a large gate at the village entrance. Meanwhile, many village roads remain damaged and neglected for years. The village had claimed the gate was a symbol of progress, but it was inconsistent with the priority guidelines under Regulation number 8 of 2020 from the Ministry of Village, which emphasizes basic infrastructure, economic recovery, and social resilience. Next, overlapping programs between provincial and city governments. In a city in Sulawesi, both the city and provincial education office budgeted for computers for junior high school. Some schools receive double allocation, with others receive none. The issues stem from poor coordination. Each level planned separately without data sharing or target synchronization. 5. High budget realization but low quality, Regency level. In a Regency in West Nusa Tenggara, NTB, the 2023 budget realization reached 92%, especially in infrastructure. However, field evaluation revealed poor quality road and drainage projects, some deteriorating just 2 months after completion. This occurred because the project were rushed toward year-end with minimal supervision and technical standards often ignored to boost financial realization figures. From our presentation, I can conclude that budget implementation at the regional government level is not just about spending funds, but how the budget can truly have an impact on the community, starting from planning, institutional structure, to technical stakes in the field, almost by carried out with synergy and accountability. Challenges such as low procurement, poor coordination, and uneven quality of human resource are real, but does not mean they cannot be overcome. By strengthening the digital system, accelerating the process, clarifying roles between levels of government, and ensuring that every rupiah is used according to priority. The hope of creating transparent, efficient, and people-oriented regional financial management can be more easily realized. Okay, thank you. The next moderator.
Okay, that's all presentation from our group. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.